are some things that just seem to happen every year, as sure as the changing of the seasons. Among them is the fact that Apple will launch a new iPad, and that it'll arrive on the crest of a wave of hyperbole about how wonderful it is. Sure enough, here we are in 2018, with new iPads being launched towards the end of the year, but this isn't the same staid upgrade we're used to seeing. The new iPad Pro is not only one of the most powerful portable devices in the world, but thanks to some eye-catching design changes it's one of the best looking as well. Apple's play is to take the fight to the notebook world, and its new iPad is a powerful weapon in that fight. New design. The new iPad Pro 11 Center is the same footprint as the 10.5, but looks so much more impressive. The new iPad Pro 11 Center is the same footprint as the 10.5, but looks so much more impressive. There's one reason you'd pick up this new iPad: the sheer improvement in terms of the way it looks in your hands. Gone are the large, cumbersome bezels on the sides, replaced with thinner ones that more closely resemble those on the new iPhone XR. There's still room on the left-hand side, if you're holding the tablet in landscape mode, for all the sensors though, Face ID, front-facing camera and so on, which are necessary so that you can actually get into the tablet without the home button. Oh, yes, that's right, the home button is now gone from the tablet, and we can't say we're that bothered about its loss. While it makes sense on a phone, where your thumb naturally falls on that spot, although of course it's now gone from the iPhones, on a tablet it's quite an effort to get your digit into the right place. The smaller bezel doesn't leave you with too little bezel to hold though. Yes, you do.